Hi guys, we have this Ching's Veg Manchurian Masala. Let's see its recipe. So this one is 20 gram pack and it comes for rupees 10 only, and from this one pack you can make Manchurian for 4 people. So coming to the recipe, cut open the pack and pour the Veg Manchurian Masala mix to a big bowl. Add 300 ml water, whisk, and now the corn flour slurry is ready. Keep it aside and we are going to grate the cabbage. Now in a large bowl, take 1 cup of grated cabbage after the water has been squeezed out of it. Now to this add 1 cup of grated carrots, and then goes 1 spoon besan, 1 spoon corn flour, and finely chopped ginger. Add some green chilies and salt to the mixture. Now mix it well and form a dough. Do not add any water. The water from the cabbage is sufficient for the binding. Now grease your hand with oil and prepare small ball-sized ball. Now all the balls are ready. We are going to deep fry it. And fry it on medium flame. Stir occasionally until the Manchurian balls turn golden brown and crisp. Now drain off to remove the excess oil and keep it aside. Now in the same pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil and add onion, capsicum and carrot. Onion and capsicum you can roughly chop, and carrots thin long slices. Stir fry on high flame but do not overcook. When you notice that the veggies has shrunk, pour in the corn flour slurry and mix well. Cook until the sauces turn glossy. Now add Manchurian balls to the masala water and boil for 3-4 minutes. Once the gravy thickens, turn off the gas and lastly add spring onions. This Manchurian Masala mix by Ching's is a perfect pick for the days when you plan to cook Chinese at home. The blend of flavor is so aromatic that it adds the restaurant type flavor to your home cooked Manchurian, and I think you should give it a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.